Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a 2020 Harris Float Boat 230 Cruiser. We'll start off in the stern of the boat. This boat is equipped with a Mercury 4-stroke 150 horsepower engine. There's an extended swim platform on this boat. Nice stainless steel railings around the swim platform and the extended sun pad. Plenty of storage underneath the sun pad on this boat. We have a nice little gate here that acts as an enclosure for the inside. Nice U-shaped seating here. Additional cup holders on the bulwarks. More on the corner. This boat comes equipped with full instrumentation, Bluetooth stereo, speed tack, depth finder, 2 USB chargers. This boat comes equipped with a ski locker and plenty of seating up front with 2 additional cup holders on port and starboard bulwarks. If this is a boat you'd like to take a closer look at, my name is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Give us a call, 803-831-2101. Thanks for watching.